don't. That'll teach those idiots not to mess with me. Ha 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 ha.
Dark Meowser, Dark Meowser, Dark Meowser, Dark Meowser, Dark Meowser. Get over here right now.
Dark Meowser. I can't believe you pushed Kirby out of the way and messed up Weather's Tough 4000 videos Halloween intro. That was very mean of you to do that. That's it. You are grounded for an additional 400 years. This means no TV, no computer, no internet accounts, no fast food places, no movies, no video games, and furthermore. Now go to your room right now. No supper for you tonight.
I wish you were dead, Dad.
Oh, shut up, Dark Meowser.